In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the HubSpot Sales Extension in Gmail. This is an excellent tool for those looking to streamline their email marketing and sales tasks. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. To start, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once there, make sure to log into your HubSpot account. If you haven't logged in already, take a moment to do so. Having access to your account is crucial because it ties into everything we're about to do, connecting your HubSpot capabilities directly with your email activities. After logging in, navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is designed to be your roadmap, offering all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building process effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or a seasoned user, this guide will provide valuable insights and tools to make your user experience as smooth as possible. Take some time to familiarize yourself with it. It's like having a handbook right at your fingertips. Now that you're on your homepage, we need to dive into the settings to start connecting your email. So, let's begin by clicking on the Settings option. This will open up a range of options for you to tweak and customize your HubSpot experience. From here, you'll want to click on Email, which is where all your email configurations will reside. Next, go ahead and click on Connect Personal Email. This step allows HubSpot to access your Gmail account, which is essential for the sales extension to work seamlessly. By establishing this connection, you'll be able to track your emails and have them integrated with your HubSpot dashboard, adding a layer of efficiency to your workflow. The next step is crucial. Click on Connect Your Inbox. This part is really important because it's where you directly link HubSpot with your Gmail inbox, allowing you to utilize features such as email tracking, meeting scheduling, and much more. Once you click this, you'll need to enter your email address. Pay close attention and carefully type your email address to ensure there are no errors, as this could lead to problems in the setup process. After entering your email, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the final setup steps, ensuring your HubSpot Sales Extension installs correctly and efficiently. Be sure to read each prompt carefully and make any selections based on your preferences. And that's it. With these steps completed, your HubSpot extension will be installed and ready to go. You can now take advantage of the powerful tools HubSpot offers for managing your interactions and driving your sales efforts right from your Gmail account. Thanks for following along and enjoy using your new extension.